Hey guys, so finally I bought a new phone as my old Moto H30 Ultra has started getting a green line issues. And if you're new to the channel, it's me Akash and please do not waste to subscribe to the channel and like the videos. Let's find out what we get inside the box. Here comes our IQoo Neo 10R. Before moving to the phone, let's find out what additional do we get inside the box. Here is our soft transparent case, a warranty card and a quick guide. Let's keep this aside. Here is our 80 watts charger, which will take around 50 minutes to charge the phone from 0 to 100 as it has a massive 6000 mAh battery. The charging cable comes with a USB Type A to Type C connectivity option. This is our SIM injector tool. Let's keep this back in the box and let's move on to the all new IQoo Neo 10R, the overhyped phone, which comes with a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor. Here it has the shiny look. IQ named it as Moonlight Titanium. We find a moon-like reflection at the back panel. You can see here. It comes with 50 megapixel Sony portrait camera and secondary is 8 megapixel ultra wide. On the right side of the phone we find volume button and the power button. At the top there is the air blaster and the noise cancellation mic. At the bottom we find SIM slot, a mic, speaker and a Type-C charging port. Here the phone is turned on and we can find the notification bar which is just as an old bar. We see quick toggles directly from the notification bar. We do find pre-installed app like Amazon, PhonePay, Snapchat, Truecaller, Facebook, Netflix, LinkedIn, which can be uninstalled. So just a quick unboxing and the review of the phone. So if you still have any questions related to the phone, do let me know in the comments. That's it in this video. Have a great day. Bye for now.